In this lecture, I'm going to tell you how you can create your video ad campaign for your YouTube video. There are many ways to create your YouTube video ad campaign through Google Ads. I'm going to discuss one of the way in this video. So let's get started. So this is an ordinary Google Ads account dashboard. What you have to do is to simply select the create new campaign over here on your account dashboard. While over this, you can move on to awareness and consideration. Once you select this one, you may see that Google will ask you what is your choose and awareness and consideration goal. One is reach the maximum number of people. If you select the reach the maximum number of people, you will be provided with two options. Either you want to create a video campaign or either you want to create a display campaign, and you can also follow this procedure to create your video campaign over here. And you can see that you are being provided with three steps over here: efficient reach, non-skippable reach, target frequency, and ad sequence, audio reach over here. And in this we are going to discuss regarding video views. So the video views is the second option where you can see we are going to reach viewers on YouTube and get conversions. This is our ideal goal. So we are going to select this one. After this, select the continue over here, and after this continue, you can name your campaign as per your convenience. For instance, if I wanted to create a video for instance, I want to promote one of my Google Merchant Center video. I'm going to write over here the campaign name. Again, the campaign name is just for the reference. It has nothing to do. And with Google Merchant Center, I'm asking on which format I can use. So I'm going to select all: skippable, in-stream ads, in-feed ads, and short ads. After this, my target CPV, and I'm going to write my campaign budget over here. For instance, if I wanted to write $20, I can write my start date as today, and I want to end this campaign in 1 week, 2 week, or if I wanted to write a custom date, I can write over here as well. So let's say I'm going with the 1st September, so it's going to be 7 days campaign. You can see that $20 budget, 10 days is going to be similar to $2 daily. You can see my impressions over here, how many people I'm going to target over here, and then selecting the networks over here. I have an option to uncheck the video partners in Google Display Network over here, which I will do it. So after this, I'm going to select my locations. I can select a single country, or I can select a city, or for instance, I only wanted to target on New Zealand and New York in America. So you can see over here I'm doing multiple targets over here. Here I'm targeting a country, plus here I'm targeting city, so I'm doing combine. I can also exclude. For instance, if I do not want to show my ad over here, I can simply exclude over here. After this, I can select my languages over here, and I can add related videos over here just for the reference as well. So the related videos appear below your video ad and offer an immense video experience. For instance, if I wanted to show other videos as well, for the user to get a choice, I can select this one. After this, that is again optional, not necessary. After this, I can write my ad group name over here. I can write over here as GMC video 1. So that is again for my own reference. After this, I can create an audience for over here and write it over here, or I can make my audience over here for right now. I can select my demographics based on male, female, unknown, age groups, and then additional status including parental status. Again, this is optional, and this data is not highly 100% optimized, but this is a very good idea, very good options to choose on. I can choose parent, non-parent, and everything. After this, I'm going to narrow audience to people who match this. For instance, if I wanted to match, for instance, if I'm targeting Google Merchant Center, so I can relate to people. I may look around for something over here. So you can see that merchant service opportunities, campaigns, or Google advertising, because the customers are similar to these, so I'm going to target them in my interest. And because this the Google feels that I will get few or no impressions because I have selected a very small market, so again I can select people or things on e-commerce platform or SEO services. Again, this is only one way. After this, I can select other data as well based on over here, find first party data. After this, I can select my audience expansion. If I want more users who look like my selected audience, similar to my selected audience, I can select this one, or I can select placements if I wanted to target on a specific videos, YouTube channels. For instance, I wanted to target on, I'm going to write over here, and I wanted to target on a specific channel over here. I can select these from over here, or if I wanted to select to run my ads on a specific videos, I can select from over here as well, if I wanted to do a specific placement. After this, I can select my keywords over here. I'm going to write my keywords over here as well. So you can see that my impressions audience have been optimized, but now I'm going to select more on my audience through the keywords. So you can see that my audience have been further been optimized. It's a very good idea to narrow down your audience so that unnecessarily your ads are not being shown to the audience which you are not interested on. After this, I'm going to select my video over here. I'm going to move on to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to select the video I wanted to promote. For instance, if I wanted to promote one of my videos, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to my channel over here. I'm going to move my selection over here, and I can go to my merchant center over here.
With Shopify, I can turn my passion for coffee into a business.
And over here, you can see that I can use any video from my playlist over here. So you can see that I have ample of videos. For instance, if I'm going to choose a video, so let's say I select this video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to copy my link address over here and then move over here, and I'm going to, you can see that they have copied my video, but videos longer than 3 minutes don't usually perform well as shorter videos than 3 minutes over here. So my videos over here, I can write my URL over here as well, and then once I'm selecting my ads headlines, I have an option of writing my own over here, which will be shown. So I can write something like Google Merchant Center. Sometimes the headline is available with the option that you can select my own. So I'm going to select Google Merchant Center restoration, learn the case study to get it restored. So you can see over here I have written this. After this, I can see that I can get vertical versions of your device. My ad is over here. You can see this is my ad. After this, I'm going to select my CPV, target cost per view. So it's on this is, you can see over here, with target cost per view, you set the average amount you are willing to pay for the views of this campaign. From the target CPV you set, we will optimize bids to help get as many views as possible. Because the campaign is to get as many as views, we are going to apply this whatever they are suggesting us. You can see that your bid is set to an amount, and here I can see my estimated performance, and I can simply now select the create campaign. And Google is now verifying if I am the original person who is creating this. So I'm going to verify it. So it's going to verify myself. I'm going to verify it. So the verification is in the process, and you can see that thanks for verifying that it's you. After this, I'm going to select the create campaign, and you can see that my campaign is created. I can see my settings over here, my campaign objective over here, cost per view, you can see over here everything, and this is a general summary of which I created, and I'm going to now continue. So yeah, I hope you like this video.